Oh, no, you're not.
He's got to get a little looser. That's all he's got to do. Loosen up a little bit. Loosen up!
Hit it.
He's going to what? See? Yeah, that's smooth. He gets the backside pumping. I don't think those four trucks are fast enough to hit them to make all of it. Well, I don't know. Be careful. He's getting caught. He's pull the front up. He did not let off.
Oh.
He's almost. He did not let off. He bounced.
He almost made it.
He's
over there.
5 feet from making it.
I know.
Made that.
He's 6 to 10 feet to making it.
I know. He just needs to grab another.
Listen to JoJo.
He needs to grab another
He
gear.
almost made it.
He needs to grab another gear.